Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, so the question is CH2Cl2 an electrolyte or not? And the answer is no, it's not an electrolyte, right? So the reason is that when you dissolve CH2Cl2 in water, well, it doesn't dissolve, right? It's a nonpolar compound. Nonpolar, right? This is in contrast to something like sodium chloride, which is ionic, right? Uh, the methylene chloride or dichloromethane, whatever you want to call it, is it's a nonpolar solvent. It's a covalent compound, right? What that means is that these are all covalent bonds. They're shared electrons, right? That's as opposed to sodium chloride, which is like sodium plus and Cl minus. And when you put these in water, the sodium and the chloride are going to move far apart to associate with water. That won't happen because we're not going to break these bonds. They're covalent bonds, and water isn't strong enough typically. Sometimes is, but not in this case, to break these kind of covalent bonds, or at least not nearly in the amount that ionic compounds break when you put them in water. So if we don't end up with, positive and negative ions, then we don't end up with an electrolyte. So this is not an electrolyte. And the product of the equation when it dissolves in water is just CH2Cl2 plus water goes to nothing happens. CH2Cl2 plus water. Right? That's all there is to it. And that's as opposed to like sodium chloride plus water goes to sodium plus Cl minus plus water. Right? That's the difference.